In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know how to ask great questions, verify answers with sources, narrow your research to exactly what you need, work with your own files, and share what you find. First, open your browser and go to the Perplexity AI website. You'll land on a clean page with a large prompt box in the center. That's your starting point for everything you do here. Type your question into the central prompt box and press enter. Be as specific as you can. Include details like timeframes, comparisons, or desired formats to help Perplexity understand exactly what you need. Clear questions lead to clearer answers. Perplexity will respond with a concise answer followed by clickable, numbered citations. These citations show exactly where the information came from. Click them to open sources in new tabs, or skim the previews to quickly verify facts. This is especially helpful when you're dealing with statistics, medical claims, or breaking news. To control where Perplexity looks, use Focus. You'll see a default option, often labeled Web. Click it to toggle specific sources depending on your task. This helps you guide the AI toward the most relevant places to search. If you want research-grade references, choose Academic to prioritize scholarly papers. For real-world opinions or product experiences, switch to Reddit or Twitter to surface social discussions. And if you're looking for explanations from creators or reviewers, pick YouTube to search video transcripts and get direct time-stamped context. You can also bring your own materials into the conversation. Click the paperclip icon or drag and drop files like PDFs, text documents, or images right into the window. Then ask questions about those files, summarize a section, extract key points, compare two pages, or clarify technical terms. Perplexity will cite the parts of your document it used. When a topic is complex, enable Pro Search for a deeper, multi-step investigation. This mode lets Perplexity browse multiple pages, cross-check details, reason through the evidence, and even correct its own answer if a better source appears. It's ideal for nuanced topics or comprehensive research. After you get an answer, you don't need to start over. Ask follow-up questions right in the same thread. The conversation keeps context, so you can refine, expand, or pivot while building on what you already learned. Use the Explore suggestions to branch into related subtopics without losing your place. Finally, when you're ready to share, click the share button at the top right of the thread. You'll get a link you can send to teammates or friends so they can view the answer, sources, and the conversation that led there. That's how to use Perplexity AI with confidence. Ask clearly, verify with citations, focus your sources, leverage your own files, go deeper with Pro Search, follow up in thread, and share your findings.